All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Happy Friday, everybody. Good morning, second grade. It is going to be an awesome day, starting off a little bit rainy. Hopefully the weather turns better this afternoon because I really want to get outside. So, Fridays are a little bit special. I sent out an email last night to all the parents letting them know that Fridays are a catch-up day. Pretty much all you need to do today is catch up on any assignments that you did not complete through the week. Then relax with your families. It's meant to take the stress off. Enjoy the day. You guys have worked super hard all week. And again, I could not be prouder of all of you. So let's go in and I'll show you what you need to accomplish today. I'm going down in the corner. Maybe. Come on. Or not. Okay, there we go. All right. So if you are hopping in here, you'll see that my video's right here. You got to it. Very good. There's no morning work. ELA, what I would like you to do today is just to read. Just read for that 30 to 40 minutes. It can be anything that you want to read, okay? No assignment tied with it, no journal entry. After that, I'd like you guys to finish up your narrative small moment slideshows. Once you're done with that, you're heading into music, and I put a link in here which will bring you to a Google Doc. We'll see, I'll open it up, I'll show you. And it's filled with a bunch of links that you can click on, all the blue stuff. You can click on those for your music time. Once you're done with that, you got lunch, recess. Again, hopefully the rain stopped by then. You can get outside for a few minutes. Nothing for math. Science, in the classwork tab, I'd like you to finish up the field trip today. So if you have one more section you need to check out, go ahead and do that. Because we have a couple of things to finish today, like the narrative small moment slideshow and the field trip, I'm not posting an extension project for anyone. I might post something next Friday as like a little extra project that's totally optional for those friends that have finished all of their work. But since we have a couple of things that need to be finished, I'm not going to post anything extra today because you guys have plenty to do as it is. If you find yourself that you still need to fill in some time, you can still go on to IXL, Dreambox, Lexia. And for friends that haven't had a whole lot of Lexia time this week, let's try to get in and get a few extra minutes done. All right? That's all I've got for the day. Should be a very quick one. One more thing. 9 o'clock this morning, I'm opening up my Zoom meeting for anyone that wants to drop in and say hey. And if they need any help with any of the assignments, I'll be here to answer questions. So again, that will start at 9 o'clock. Maybe a few minutes before, I'll open it up, and that's the link that you click on, and you should be able to get right into the meeting. There's no waiting room anymore. All right, that's all I've got for the day, second grade. Have a fabulous Friday, and do an awesome job.